I'd just like to congratulate the Maple Leafs for winning tonight. Yeah, they won a big game. Yeah, they beat the #1 team in the NHL. Oh, you better believe it, baby. Nashville Predators? I think not. Oh, easy. You know, they're hardcore. They got a little bit of a William Nylander. Yeah, he's from across the pond. Yeah, and we got a little bit of Mitch Marner. He's homegrown. But who could forget about Austin Matthews? Yeah, that guy is a spark plug. I tell you one thing. We got Mr. Anderson in that too. He's from across the pond. We don't have to worry about that guy. He's too tall. Anyways, I'm going to sing a little bit of a victory song here. This one's going to be a demo. Here we go. Yeah, the Maple Leafs really like to make you feel a little bit like this. She was a fast machine. She kept the motor clean. She was the best damn woman that I ever seen. She had the same side, had a mean old lie, knocking me out with those American ties. Sitting on the shelf, had me fighting for air. Told me to come, but I was already there. Cause the walls was shaking, the earth was quaking, my mind was aching. We were baking with you. Shook me all night long. Yeah, you shook me all night long. Yeah, Maple Leafs knocking me out with that you. Shook me all night long. Yeah, to make me mad at you. Shook me all night long. Double time on the seduction line. She's one of a kind. She's just a mind on mine. On the floor, knocking on the door, making me lie to me and come back for more. She got to